43rd session, Unit 5, Electrical Instruments and Measurements. In this session, we will be discussing about how to measure current sensitivity, charge sensitivity and voltage sensitivity with the help of ballistic galvanometer. The main learning objective of this session is, firstly, to find out the expression for current sensitivity, charge sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. Secondly, we'll be finding out the relation between these three quantities, that is current sensitivity, charge sensitivity and voltage sensitivity. From equation 8, that is from the previous session, we have Q is equal to T upon 2 pi into K theta. This equation gives the relation between the charge flowing through the galvanometer and the ballistic throw of the galvanometer. The torque or the couple on the suspension fiber is given by C theta. So therefore, from the equation 1, that is from the previous session, we have I n into A into B is equal to C theta, where I is the current, n is the total number of turns of the coil, A is the area of the coil and B is the magnitude of the external field. C is the couple per unit twist and theta is the ballistic throw. From this equation, we can find out the expression for the current, that is small I is equal to C upon n into A into B into theta. So let this equation be 9. Current sensitivity. Now the definition of current sensitivity is the current sensitivity experienced by the moving coil galvanometer is given as the ratio of change in deflection, that is theta of the galvanometer, to the change in the unit current in the coil. Therefore, current sensitivity is equal to deflection upon current. That is, current sensitivity is equal to deflection is theta upon current, that is small I. By substituting the value of I, that is from equation 9, we can express current sensitivity is equal to n into A into B upon C, where n is the total number of turns of the coil, A is the area of the coil and B is the external magnetic field, upon C is the couple per unit twist. So this whole term can be written as 1 upon K. So let this equation be 10, and this K is also called as the ballistic constant. Charge sensitivity, it is defined as the deflection per unit charge. So from equation 8, we have charge sensitivity is equal to deflection upon charge. Theta is the deflection and charge is small q. Now substituting the value of q in this expression, that is q is equal to T upon 2 pi into C upon NAB into theta. So theta on the numerator and denominator will cancel, and the final expression for charge sensitivity is equal to 2 pi upon T into NAB upon C. Hence, the charge sensitivity can be written as 2 pi upon T multiplied by current sensitivity. The last expression, that is NAB upon C, is nothing but the current sensitivity. So therefore, charge sensitivity is 2 pi times the current sensitivity. Now the voltage sensitivity, it is defined as the deflection per unit voltage, and it is consequently the current sensitivity divided by resistance. That is, voltage sensitivity is equal to current sensitivity upon resistance. The microvolt sensitivity is defined as the deflection in millimeter on a scale kept 1 meter away from the galvanometer mirror when a potential difference of 1 microvolt, that is 10 to the power minus 6 volts, is maintained across the galvanometer terminals. Now the figure of merit of galvanometer is defined as it is the current which is producing a deflection of 1 scale division, that is when we use lamp and scale arrangement. It is the current which will produce a deflection of 1 millimeter on a meter scale, which is kept 1 meter away from the galvanometer mirror. It is also defined as the current or charge per unit deflection. It is expressed as Q upon theta or I upon theta. So let this equation be 11. Now coming to the practical applications of this ballistic galvanometer. Firstly, it can be used to compare the EMF of two cells. Secondly, it is also used to compare the capacitance of the capacitors. A third application, to determine the following quantities, that is to find out the angle of dip and the components of Earth's magnetic field, that is VH and VV, Earth's horizontal magnetic field and Earth's vertical magnetic field. And it can also be used for measuring or determining self-inductance, mutual inductance, and magnetic susceptibility and permeability. The fourth application is, it is used to measure the strong magnetic fields and the high resistance. So these are the four practical applications of the ballistic galvanometer. The references used for the presentation is Electricity and Magnetism, written by Dr. K. K. Tiwari.